Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PyTorch with Facebook, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install PyTorch with Facebook, start by visiting the official PyTorch website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to pytorch.org. On the home page, you will see an installation section. Select your preferences for the installation. Choose the operating system you are using, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Next, select the package manager you prefer. Common options include pip or conda. Select the appropriate version of Python you have installed. You will also see options for CUDA, which is used for GPU support. Choose the CUDA version that matches your GPU configuration or select none if you will not be using GPU acceleration. After setting your preferences, you will see a command generated for installation. Copy the command to your clipboard. Now, open your terminal or command prompt. If you are using Windows, search for Command Prompt or PowerShell. For Mac OS, open the terminal application. If you are on Linux, you can use your default terminal. Once the terminal is open, paste the command you copied. Press Enter to execute the command. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed and system performance. Once installed, verify your installation by starting Python. In your terminal, type Python or Python 3 and press Enter. Now, import PyTorch by typing import torch. If no errors appear, your installation was successful. Congratulations, you have installed PyTorch with Facebook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.